Ah, how's it, everybody? You just gotta lay down in your lawn and enjoy it from time to time because you work so hard on it. Man, my grass has been growing crazy in the summer. June, July, August. Awesome. But you know what? It's September and the grass is gonna start slowing down. Now, we have a lawn season here in Hawaii that lasts all year, but our growing season really is June, July, and August. That's our peak growing season. In September is a transitional month. We're gonna get a lot less daylight and a lot less sunlight. We're also gonna get higher rainfalls. Now, because your lawn has been growing so thick, disease pressure is gonna go up because there's no airflow. Like if I stick my fingers in here, I feel the wetness. And I actually want to introduce you to somebody that's kind of here right next to me. Take a look. I have large patch in my lawn. Now, this just started about a week ago, so I got down some Armada and hopefully I mitigated its spreading. But in any case, September, I want to start thinking about what's to come in October, November, and December because I got burned the last 2 years. My fungicide program wasn't good, and so was my cultural practices wasn't good. Now with El Toro Zoysia in Hawaii, man, you got to be on it because in these winter months, should I even say that? Disease is prevalent and you got to look out for that. You got to prepare for that. So what I'll be doing is I will be scalping this down. Scalping it down will help the airflow throughout the grass, and it's also going to regrow it. And hopefully I'm looking to regrow it in about 3 to 4 weeks, and have it pristine for Halloween. But in any case, that's my plan. I'm not going to scalp it today because it's a little late, but I just wanted to share with you what's to come. I hope to see you in the next one where I take you through my scalping and some of my thoughts about that. But till then, aloha and take it easy.